Along with Mi 8, Xiaomi also launched Mi 8 SE on its 8th anniversary on 31st May 2018. It's the world's first phone to be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset. With the latest octa-core CPU, it also has the latest Adreno 616 GPU, which makes the gaming experience much smoother than before. It features a 5.88-inch AMOLED full-screen display with Full HD resolution and 18:9 custom screen ratio. It also supports HDR display. It has dual cameras at the rear, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel and 20 megapixel on the front. Both the cameras are AI enabled. It can also shoot 4K video and slow motion. Here are some camera samples which are shot on Mi 8 SE. The device comes with two RAM variant, 4GB and 6GB with LPDDR4X, which lets the device perform better. Currently it has only 64GB storage variant. The storage cannot be expanded since it does not have a memory slot. It has 3120 mAh inbuilt battery, which is less compared to its competitors, but it supports fast charging 3.0 via USB Type-C port, which can help you charge up to 50% of your battery in 15 minutes. It supports all the latest Wi-Fi networks and has Bluetooth 5.0. This phone also has dual nano SIM card slot with VoLTE HD voice support. It's one of the first Xiaomi devices to come preloaded with MIUI 10 operating system out of the box. Mi 8 SE comes in 4 color options: dark grey, bright blue, golden and bright red. Currently, Xiaomi has launched this smartphone only in China. It's priced at $1799 and $1999 yuan.